look at this. Turbo. This is clean. Oh man, it's automatic. It's kind of sad, but it's alright. Oh, look at all the line of Mustangs. That's a Mach 1. And you can see the Yanko back there. Is this a 500? I think this is a 500. Let's see. This a Carroll Shelby. Yep, I think that's signed by Carroll Shelby right there. Man, it's awesome. Man, look at that Charger RT, a Roadrunner. What is this? A Dart?
Let's start.
The near darts are kind of ugly. Oh man. It's an automatic. It's kind of sad.
I don't care.
It's turbocharged.
Sounds so nice.
Supercharged Roush. Man, this is so nice. It's 114. Man, look at that interior. Hey, Melvin, look at this interior. That's clean. How much is this one? 108. Oh, I love these Corvettes. These things are awesome. 107. That's what I thought. Something spilling oil. Did you see the little spill? There's a back room, Melvin. Come on, let's go. Oh, man. Wait, check this out. This 300ZX. Woo! Nice BMWs. GTO. Love Volkswagen. 59,000, but it's still got like 35,000 original miles, right? That's awesome. 48. That's not bad. I like that one. C10. Ooh, this big Trailblazer. It's kind of fine. But yeah, man, that's nice, Melvin. That's a lot of work though. Air suspension, I think. I'm pretty sure it's air suspension. That is slow, man. Oh man, that's nice. Chevy Silverado. Look A Jeep. A Jeep. El Camino. Torino. That's nice.
Are you on Facebook Live?
No.
Are you just recording?
Yeah.
Look at the Honda, man. How much you
The
think
Honda.
Looks like it's not there.
Is this an Accord? I think it may be. The pop up in the headlights, man.